Kindergarten class, it is time for our math lessons today. So we're going to start with our Saxon math booklet right here. I'll put our calendar math aside. We'll do that in a little bit. And we're going to open to lesson, I believe it's called 4A at the top of the page right here. Okay. So again, we get to practice writing our 1s and our 4s and our 5s. And today, if you notice, they are in a pattern. So we'll start at the top by the number 1. We go down 1, and then remember with the 4, we'll follow the arrows down, over, lift, down. The 1 is just straight down. The 4 is down, over, lift, then down. So this pattern goes 1, 4, 1, 4. So we have to finish this pattern, 1, and then we start at the dot. This time we're writing the 4, down, over, lift, go to the top and back down, okay? So then we have a new pattern down here that starts with the 1 again, so the 1 is all the way down. The 5, remember, you can start at the dot, go down to make a neck, and then curve around to make a belly. Lift your pencil, start at the dot again, and go over to make a hat. So it's 1, 5, and then we're going to trace the 1, start at the dot and go down. For the 5, you start at the dot, draw the neck, curve around to make the belly, and then lift and make the hat that goes over. Start at the dot to make the 1 over here, and then start at the dot, go down, curve around to make the belly, and then you're going to make the hat to go over. So our pattern for this is 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5. All right, so down at the bottom of the page, you're going to use your crayons, and these are towers. So you start from the bottom when you color the towers. That's important to know. So the number here is the number 1. So I'll show you what that looks like. You just color in the first box or the first square down at the bottom. That's all. Then when it goes to the number 2, and if you want, you can make a rainbow out of it. You can use rainbow colors, or you can use the same color the whole time, okay? So 2, I have to color 2. Remember, I told you when I color, I like to outline the box and then color it in. You do not have to do that, okay? Number 3. Okay, so I'm going to keep going. Now, if I'm going too fast, you can always pause the video. If I'm going too slow for you, you can move on ahead, as long as you pay attention to the number at the bottom. Okay, and make sure you start from the bottom when you color. So the next one is the number 4. I'm going to grab an orange here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm going to color those in. Next, I'm going to grab my yellow crayon. This one said 5, so I'm going to count out it as I outline those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm going to go ahead and color that in. The next number is a 6. So I'm going to grab, let's see, how about a green? I'm going to outline them as I count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, then I'm going to color those in. And then I have 6. And then 7, I think I'll pull out a blue crayon here. I have to count 7 as I color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do you see how it's starting to look like rainbow stairs? This is also called a +1 pattern. I'm just increasing the number of blocks colored by 1. Okay. Then I have the number 8, and I will grab a different, I'm going to see what I have. I did a light blue, I have a dark blue down there. Maybe I'll grab a purpley one. Let's see. Blue violet. I can't find my purple crayon. You keep coloring while I look for my crayon here. I don't know. I'll try this one. I don't know if I've used that or not. Oh, good. I haven't used that one. So I have to color 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I'm going to color that in. Whew. All right. Now, the number 9. And I think I'm going to use my pink. I haven't used my pink yet, so here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there's 9. I'm going to go ahead and color that in. And do you notice we do not have any of the towers? We did not color in any of the towers, but watch what I can do. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7, this is 8, and this is 9, meaning if I counted them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 white ones, 8 white ones, 7 white ones, 6 white ones, 5 white ones, 4 white ones, 3 white ones, 2 white ones, 1 white one. Okay, that was a fun lesson. I really enjoyed doing that with you. Thank you for joining me, boys and girls. And then we'll move on to our calendar math next.